Okay, how's everybody doing? My name is Olimpiu Tuns, and today I will talk about, first of all, about gold, because earlier today I've sent my pending order in the VIP group. Okay, I will I will talk about the BOC, guys, because today the Bank of Canada will publish the BOC, will publish the overnight rate. This is seen as a high impact event. Most likely, the BOC will have a big impact on gold, on US dollar, on Japanese yen, so on US oil. So yeah, very important event today. Earlier today, actually in the early morning, we had the consumer price index from Australia. Okay, higher inflation reported by Australia. So yeah, I will talk about commodities, cryptocurrencies, forex pairs, indexes. So if you have questions, guys, I'm waiting for your questions. And yeah, are we holding Murad? Are we holding British pound, Japanese yen? So you will have to wait for Orlando's management. It's not my trade, and yeah, unfortunately I cannot talk about it. It's not my trade. Every trader is yeah, will update. Yeah. So yeah, please wait. Orlando will go live later today around the US Open. So yeah, please wait, and or actually you can go. You can. Join his session, his live session later today. Isuru, hi Olympic from Sri Lanka. Hi, how are you? So, risk disclaimer, as always. Yeah, it's important to understand that trading is risky, or the past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. If you have questions, you can send an email to support. Very important. And don't forget that the only way to communicate with Learn to Trade is if you'll send an email to support. Thank you. I will close this window. So later today, overnight rate, the BOC is expected to increase the overnight rate from 4.25% to 4.50%. Okay, and this is seen as a high impact event. Earlier today, I've sent guys my pending order in gold. Yeah, and I will talk about the thought process here right now. So let's take a look. If we'll take a look here on gold. Yeah, it has failed maybe to extend its growth right now. Yeah, we had something like a demand zone here, but in my opinion, I believe that a new lower low here after a temporary rebounds, a new lower low taking out 1922 could open the door for a potential downside movement. Right now, yeah, it challenges the former highs as resistance levels. I'll wait to see how the price will react. Maybe a sideways movement. Maybe a sideways movement here could represent a potential downside continuation pattern, a distribution pattern. So yeah, this is the thought process. This setup was sent to the VIP group, and I'll wait to see. Unfortunately, earlier today, yeah, I've had something on British pound versus the US dollar. Okay, that first setup or selling opportunity was invalidated, so that's why right now I will keep an eye on the British pound versus the US dollar. Right now it challenges this resistance zone, former highs, or supply area, supply zone. Maybe after reaching this area here, or this zone, it could turn to the downside. Maybe we cannot exclude a potential sell-off. So personally, maybe I will place a new pending order or a sell at market or something here right now, maybe live here. But I'll wait. Right now it has reached it. Okay, it has reached here the supply zones, former highs, and I would like to have maybe a reaction for reaction or retest here before turning to the downside. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on British pound US dollar here right now. Yeah, and probably I will have a new setup, and probably I will be able to place a trade here in British pound versus the US dollar. Yeah, rebound here, Euro USD. A rebound. Yeah, probably we've missed something here, but right now it's too late to go long. Maybe I'll wait for the Euro USD to come back higher before it will turn to the downside again or something. Right now, no, I don't have a setup here. I will probably I will have something, as I said, on here on British pound US dollar. So we have these former highs, past resistance levels, supply zone, supply area, and yeah, I would like maybe to catch a potential downside movement and sell off. If you have questions, guys, please don't forget to like the video. Yeah. Also, don't forget that you can watch the video later today in our YouTube channel as many times as you want. And I'm waiting for comments as well on the YouTube channel. Euro USD. Yeah, yesterday I've had something, guys, here, but unfortunately that setup was invalidated after this rally. But yeah, the price dropped, came back down as expected. Yesterday, let's take a look on the economic calendar. Yesterday we had the manufacturing and services data, and yeah, that's why we had sharp movements, high volatility in the short term. The fundamentals with the prices, the markets, yeah, better than expected US data, but unfortunately, yeah, the manufacturing and the services sectors remain in the contraction territory. So yeah, that's why the USD remains sluggish, remains bearish. Also, the DXY, unfortunately, the DXY is still bearish, as you can see here. Only a sideways movement. Yeah, despite temporary rebounds, it could drop deeper. It could come back down anytime. So yeah, if you have questions, guys, please. That's why I'm here, and I will try to identify potential setups and trades here live. Okay. Yeah, British pound versus the US dollar. Yeah, the Canadian, the BOC, the Bank of Canada will have a big impact, I believe, on the US dollar as well. So that's why. But yeah, we still have. Yeah, only in less than 2 hours we'll have the BOC. But yeah, maybe I could still catch something here on British pound. US dollar. First reaction right now here. Shit. But yeah, we have here on one minute, we have this on this this demand zone. Yeah. Yeah, not the best setup here. 1.2 or 1.3 only, something like this. But right now I'll wait maybe for the price to rebound here, maybe to retest before turning to the downside in the short term. So maybe I will still have something USD CAD. Yeah, today it's risky to trade the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, to trade the Canadian dollar, only because yeah, right now it has dropped a little, it has moved it sideways here, and but it's risky to trade it right now ahead or before the Canadian before the BOC Bank of Canada, okay, overnight rate, as I've said, later today. So the BOC rate statement, BOC monetary policy report, BOC press conference could bring sharp movements and high volatility on the Canadian dollar. That's why it's risky to trade it today. Yeah, so no, I don't have something on this market, US dollar versus the Swiss franc. So right now, yeah, I'm still keeping my pending order in gold for now. US dollar versus the Swiss franc, yeah, potential rebounds here to retest the immediate resistance levels, but no. It's almost to approach and reach, maybe, yeah, probably something like this. A rebound here could bring us new shorts or something, but yeah. If you have questions, guys, please, I will try to take a look on all markets. I will try to identify something here, as I've said, on British pound versus the US dollar. Test retests. Yeah, it's still above that demand zone, and the potential rebound could send it higher, and probably I will look for a new entry here. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Guys, don't you have questions? New Zealand dollar, US dollar. No. No. Nope. Australian dollar, US dollar. Yeah, maybe here something like a rebound in the short term. Bring us something, but yeah, to retest this zone imbalance here. Yeah. Because the price reached this zone or resistance zone or something here. Yeah, unfortunately. Yeah, maybe my stop loss needs to be here. Maybe I could still have something like 1.5 maybe here, but I'll take a look on 5 minutes as well. Let's take a look. US dollar, Singapore dollar. US dollar, Singapore dollar. Now it's still under downside pressure. Nope. US dollar, Mexican peso. US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Yeah, maybe new lower low here on US dollar versus the Mexican peso could activate a potential deeper drop and downside movement, downside continuation. Only supply zones and areas here. But yeah, personally, probably I will try to manage maybe my trades before the BOC Bank of Canada if the price reaches my my entry on gold, or if I'll place a trade here on British pound versus the US dollar. I will try to manage my my trades, because yeah, anything could happen around the BOC. Most likely will have sharp movements, high volatility, so that's why I will try to manage my my trades and my positions. US oil. US sorry about that. Yeah, now I see that you have questions. Unfortunately, my chat right now, I've received the messages. Are you going to talk about crypto? Yeah, Gonzalo. Yeah, Gonzalo, I believe Ferreira. Yeah, we'll talk about crypto. Is Canadian dollar Japanese going down? Sir, GBP, Japanese yen, Juan, Canadian dollar Japanese yen. I will talk about the Japanese yen. When will you look for gold buys again? Isuru, I don't know when I will have a setup. Okay. Hello, what's your thought about gold? Any thoughts on silver? How do you use the pitchfork? Mark, please visit our our YouTube channel, okay? And in our YouTube channel, personally, I've uploaded and I've published several tutorials about pitchfork, on how to use it, okay? On how to draw pitchfork, this tool, or how to use the medium line, the lower medium line, upper medium line, how to identify potential trades. So Mark, please visit our YouTube channel, and yeah, if you have questions after watching those tutorials, yeah, I'm here. Okay, so Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, what about that market? Please tell me if you want me to take a look on a specific market. Please tell me what you are looking at. Please tell me what you are looking at. First of all, your time frame, and if you are bull, bear. Okay. Yeah, so I've talked about Canadian dollar, Japanese yen yesterday. Unfortunately, the price failed here to come back, actually to approach and reach maybe the former high and this supply area. Right now, yeah, it has dropped. It has ignored 97.08. So yeah, in the short term, it is in the seller's territory. It's under selling pressure. It's bearish. So right now, no, I don't have something really good. Maybe I will have a potential long only here after reaching my lower medium line and maybe this demand zone, this area, this zone here, for a new potential long here in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, because right now you can see that it was almost to reach the British pound, Japanese yen thoughts. Yeah, as I've said at the beginning of this webinar, you'll have to wait for Orlando's management, if you followed his trade, for his update. Okay, right now, yeah, it's not my trade, and yen basket. But first of all, maybe I will place that trade on British pound. Yeah, yen basket. About yen basket, this rally here forced the Japanese yen to take the lead to appreciate versus its rivals. That's why also British pound versus the Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen drop it. But right now it has registered only a false breakout above 81.79. Okay, if the yen basket will turn to the downside, if it will drop, okay, if it will develop a new sell-off, then the Japanese yen will depreciate, will lose ground versus its rivals again. Okay, again. So yeah, I'll wait to see if the price will invalidate that supply, or it will extend its growth or something, because extending its growth here after but after this change of character, maybe breakout here, maybe it could come back down to retest potential near term or short term imbalance. Maybe here it could approach and reach maybe this imbalance before jumping higher again. Yeah, this is my opinion about the Japanese yen right now. So about British pound, Japanese yen, yeah, technically and in my opinion, yeah, personally I have an ascending pitchfork, okay, in the short term. And personally I've talked about selling and the short opportunities, after reaching maybe the supply zone. Unfortunately, it has failed to reach it. Sell off right now. Yeah, it has found the support here on the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork. That's why it has rebounded a little, but yeah, it remains to see how the yen basket will react in the short term. If the yen basket will extend. If the yen basket will extend its rebound, if the yen basket will drop again, yeah. But right now, technically, rebound here on the British pound versus the Japanese yen after reaching my lower medium line here. That's why it's important. Personally, I'm using a pitchfork tool. Yeah, the medium line as resistance here, the lower medium line as support right now. Yeah, very important. You can see that the price reacts, yeah, around these lines and levels after this massive sell-off. Yeah, probably a rebound was natural, was expected. Okay, so that's why yeah, a rebound it's natural, but yeah, it remains to see how large the rebound will be, if the price will be able to take out 160.01, 160 psychological level. Yeah. Okay. Okay. One moment. .5. Yeah, shit. Yeah, this is the thing. Yeah, I've missed the opportunity to place it live here. Only because, and to share it to my VIP. So no, right now, yeah, probably it's too late. Maybe I've had an opportunity here right now. No, I will keep an eye only on British pound, US dollar, but no, right now I'll wait. Yeah. I said that I've had this this potential setup, but no, I didn't place the trade. Yeah, I'm still keeping that that pending order only in gold right now. Yeah, ahead of the BOC. Ahead of the BOC. Because right now, please take a look here. This is the thing with this kind of this kind of setups. Yeah, the on 1 minute it has registered only a false breakdown with great separation through 1.2321. Okay, and that's why right now rebound. As long as it stays above this former low, it could rebound. It could come back higher. Okay, probably I will still try to identify a potential setup and trade or setup here in the short term on British pound versus the US dollar, maybe with a lower entry. Yeah, probably because change of character, it could come back higher to retest the resistance levels before dropping again. Okay, so I've talked about British pound, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Any thoughts on silver? And yeah, let's take a look on silver. But probably I will still try to identify a potential trade here on yeah, one on one, or maybe something like this. Yeah, I could still have something like this maybe here on British pound versus the US dollar. Yeah, first of all I will calculate the risk. 0. So when I'll place the trade on, if I will place the trade, I will share the setup into the VIP group. So don't worry, guys, because right now I'm still trying to, yeah. I'm calculating the risk because I have a new trading account here, and okay. So personally, I will take the trade in British pound US British pound US dollar. Okay, so one moment. GBP USD. Sell stop. Okay, stop loss 1.20. 1.22. Okay, and one moment, because I will share the trade, guys, into the VIP group. Yeah, okay. Okay, so personally I've shared my my setup, my new pending order in British pound versus the US dollar live here. One moment. Telegram. Let's invite more members. Okay. Okay. Also, if you have questions, I will keep an eye on my trade. Also, gold, my pending order in gold is still valid after a false breakout. Let's take a look. Bitcoin. Sorry, just joined it a bit late. Maybe I missed that goal. I missed gold. Yeah, let's take a look on gold again for you. Yeah, that's why I'm here, guys. Thanks. And don't forget to like the video. USD Japanese yen peep lover. Okay, so about gold. I talked about gold, and I said that yeah, it was almost to hit this this zone or this zone here. So yeah, we have an imbalance here, strong imbalance, but personally I still believe that maybe the price of gold, after making a potential new lower low here, yeah, also on 1 hour we had this it's already in a demand zone here, but in my opinion, if it fails to stay above 1922, if it makes a new lower low, then it could extend its sell-off. It could come back. It could come back down, maybe towards the former low. So right now, yeah, as I've said, and as you already know from my webinars, from my analysis, yeah, only false breakout with great separation here, maybe signaling downside pressure, signaling exhausted buyers in the short term. So yeah, as you already know from my analysis, it doesn't matter. I will not buy every demand zone, or I will not sell every demand zone. I need confirmation. Okay, it's important for me. Confirmation, it's important for me. Okay, so yeah, I'm still keeping that pending order in gold as well. I've placed a new trade in British pound versus the US dollar, a potential range here in the short term, and false breakouts maybe from this range. False breakouts may signal maybe an imminent breakdown or something. Yeah, let's wait. Okay, so this is my opinion about gold. Yeah, thank you, guys. What is the trade? The trade, it's what? This trade? This is gold. Yeah. I have so many gold buys. Yeah. About gold. Yeah, it's still the bias is still bullish. Okay, on yeah, it's still bullish. Okay, it's still bullish, but in the short term, personally, I've tried and I will try to catch a potential deeper drop, a potential sell-off. Okay, yeah, it's still bullish in my opinion. Yeah, if it makes a new higher high, if it makes a value breakout from this range, yeah, it could develop a new leg higher, but in the short term, a new lower low maybe could signal a potential deeper drop, but only in the short term, because yeah, on lower time frames, intraday trades, because yeah, maybe personally I will still look also for longs. Yeah, I will still look also for longs, maybe here, I don't know, or here if it makes a value breakout from that from this range. Yeah. Yeah, can you check British pound, Japanese yen? Yeah, this is Japanese yen. Sorry, Japanese yen. Sorry, British pound, the US dollar. Sorry. Yeah. So yeah, right now the price didn't reach my entry. Okay. So yeah, it challenges 1.2321, as I've said earlier today. Yeah, I'll wait to see how it will react. Maybe here in the short term. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah, USD Japanese yen. I will take a look on that market. I have so many gold. I want just 1940. I can survive until one. Yeah, okay. So let's take a look. No, the price didn't reach it. My entry still is still above my entry in British pound, Japanese. Sorry, British pound, US dollar. Sorry about that. Yeah, because yeah, right now, yeah, let's take a look here. Yeah, on my real account, I still have a style stop. Yeah, the price didn't reach my entry yet. Yeah, right now I will update the group, the VIP group, because my GBPUSD got triggered. Got triggered. Yeah, I will keep it despite temporary rebounds here in the short term. Maybe it could come back to retest. I don't know, the imbalance here or something. So yeah, I will keep it, and I will share my management here in the VIP group only. Yeah, in the VIP group. Yeah. So someone asked me about US dollar Japanese yen 15 minutes breakout. What breakout? Here, this breakdown? Please be more specific, guys. USD Japanese yen, please. USD breakout at 15 minutes. What breakout? This breakdown here? Or what breakout? Or this breakout here above this former high? So, when you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at. Please tell me your time frame. If you are a bull, a bear, your levels. Yeah, thank you, guys. Okay, so yeah, I'm holding my short in British pound versus the British pound versus the US dollar. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, Bitcoin. I said that I will talk about cryptocurrencies. So let's take a look. Cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin. Yeah, it has dropped below the immediate uptrend line right now. Yeah, probably I will delete my drawings. So yeah, a major supply zone here on 4 hour on Bitcoin. Probably I will look for shorts only here after reaching that zone, and right now maybe I will look only for longs if it drops towards this zone here, or if it stays above the former lows, the immediate lows. Maybe this will be a range pattern, an upside continuation pattern, or a triangle here, yeah, before extending its growth here. So yeah, probably I will look for potential longs also here in Bitcoin. Okay, Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum as well. Yeah, it has reached that zone, supply zone, sell-off. Right now it is located right above a demand zone. So yeah, a sell-off was natural, was expected. If the price of Bitcoin will drop deeper, then Ethereum could drop deeper as well. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. Let's take a look on British pound versus the US dollar again, because probably I will manage it. Yeah, please take a look here. This is what you have missed out, guys. If you are not a VIP member, if you are only a free member, yeah, you've missed my my trade, my setup. Yeah, my trade runs in profit right now, live here in British pound versus the US dollar. Yeah. Yeah, and yeah. Right now I will keep the trade, yeah, and I will come back with my management if I'll decide to manage it. Let's see how it will react here around this demand zone. Right now it's in profit. It's in good profit right now for a scalping position, for a short-term trade or something. Yeah. So 23.37. Yep. Yeah. So what do you say about this this trade here in British pound versus the US dollar? Yeah, a really good trade here live for the VIPs. And if you are not a VIP member, please guys, you have the link right below this this video. You have the link right below this video. Yeah. Yeah, you have the link below this video if you want to join the VIP group. If you want to join us, if you want to get the VIP trades. Yeah. Yeah, after this massive sell-off, it could try to rebound a little in the short term, but yeah, I will still keep it for now. In the short term, it could still approach and reach new lows. British pound versus the US dollar for the VIP members live here. Yeah, probably I will yeah, personally I've moved my stop loss at break even. I will update the group. Let's see. Okay, if it reaches my my stop loss at break even, it's fine. But yeah, if it, because it has reached this this immediate and this immediate demand zone, and I don't want to turn against me in the short term, but yeah, it's fine. If it reaches my stop loss at break even, it's fine. Maybe I should have managed it here after reaching this this demand zone. Yeah, this is the thing with this kind of trades. Yeah, it my short in British pound versus the US dollar closed at break even. It's fine, but I didn't want it to risk with this position after failing maybe to take out this to invalidate this demand zone, immediate demand zone. Yeah. But yeah, I'm still keeping that pending order in gold. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it was maybe it was a bad decision to move it here. Let's see. Yeah, but yeah. Unfortunately, after this massive sell-off, it could come back here, okay, to retest this imbalance, okay, and then to drop. And as I've said, later the economic data, the Canadian, the BOC actually could shake the markets. Anything could happen. That's why I've said that I will manage my positions before the BOC. That's why maybe this was only a quick. Please give me one pair I can trade right now. No, I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do. So it's your call. Personally, I've had this trade here right now. Yeah, maybe it was a bad decision to move the stop loss at break even so soon. Maybe I should have waited a little, but yeah. I still have a pending order in gold, and probably gold will hit my entry soon. Yeah, probably I've made a mistake by moving my stop loss at break even. Because yeah, potential rebound, temporary rebound in the short term was natural, was expected before dropping deeper. I will look for something else. But yeah, it was a really good, probably a really good setup, maybe. Yeah. If you have questions, guys. If you don't have questions, maybe I will end this webinar here. US 100 sell off. Probably I will look for potential shorts here if it will come back to retest, or only for longs here maybe. But right now US 30. Yeah. US 30, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. US 500. Also here, maybe temporary rebounds could bring us short opportunities, but yeah, the US equities turning to the downside, drop it up in the short term because the dollar index rebounded. Right now, the US dollar appreciated. Yeah, rebound here on the dollar index. Yeah, what a big mistake to move my stop loss at break even. But yeah, because it would have been still good, only a retest before going down, extending its sell-off. Yeah. Okay, if you don't have questions, guys, I will probably I will log out and I will look for something else. My yeah, it would have been good. British pound US dollar. Yeah, I've managed it too soon. So if you are not a VIP member, if you want to join us, if you want to get the VIP trades, please kept my stop loss in place. Yeah, I believe, Mark, it seems that you are still in profit. Okay, thank you, guys. And yeah, as I've said, if you want to join us, if you want to join the VIP groups, the Forex VIP group, the Crypto VIP group, the Swing Trading Group, VIP group, please, you can access the link posted right below this video. You can still use the, or you can still use that code YouTube at the checkout to get a 10% discount. Okay, thank you, guys. Later I will come back with something else. Unfortunately, I've managed my position maybe too soon here, but I still have that gold pending order, which is still valid. It's still good for the VIP members. I will come back with my management on that position and trade. So I've talked about US dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, USD, Japanese yen. So what breakout? Please tell me what breakout. This breakdown here on 15 minutes. You said 15 minutes. So please, guys, if you want me to answer to your questions, if you want me to reply, please tell me what you are looking at, and please tell me your time frame, what you are looking at, if you are a bear, if you are a bull, if your levels. So what breakout? This breakdown here or this breakout here above the former high? I don't know. Yeah. You said only USD Japanese yen breakout at 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah, great, perfect. Okay, thank you, guys. So I've talked about USD Japanese yen earlier today. Yesterday I've had the pending order. So yeah, in the short term, okay, breakdown. Yeah, breakdown here below 1.29. Sorry, 129.72. Okay, and here maybe I will look for potential shorts around this former high. Okay, we have a supply area, 15 minutes on a buy. Okay, this breakout here on a buy. Okay, so personally and probably I will look for shorts here, because in my opinion the pressure is still high. I don't want to buy it. Maybe I will try to buy it only here if it drops and reaches this zone, this area. Probably I want to sell it here, maybe here, if it reaches that zone. So that's why in the short term, if the price reaches this zone, maybe I'll look for shorts, for selling opportunities after. Can I send my chart, please? I don't know. I don't think that you can. I don't know if you can send the chart in the chat. Can you send it? I don't know. So yeah, personally, maybe I will look after sweeping the liquidity here. Maybe it could reach that supply before turning to the downside or something. Okay, maybe something like this. Yeah, something like this. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's it. I will come back. I will come back with something else later, and I'm still keeping my pending order in gold. Don't forget to please don't forget to like the video, Thank you guys, and don't forget that later the BOC will shake the markets, could bring high volatility and sharp movements, and yeah, you'll have to be careful. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.